might be taking a leap of faith. Shit, I might be dumb as fuck. But this shot, it feels like it's worth taking. Cause I got things I gotta do. Things I want. You understand what I'm saying?
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Kim Commissioner. I know I've been quiet for more than 4 weeks now. It's actually 5 weeks, if not 6. Yeah, but the real reason behind why I've been quiet is because I haven't been in the right state of mind, to actually try to record videos, and I kept on losing accounts left, right, and center. And yeah, I'm actually trying to some account then. But that's not the reason. There's always a comeback, So yeah, I'll do better from now on. I'll provide better content and actually give you guys what you deserve, right? So on today's video, I'm doing a breakdown. Actually, it's a gold trade. I'm already in. Already I've sent the setup to my Telegram channel, and I'm gonna send it to my Discord channel actually. Right, so so this is gold in a daily time frame. There's actually nothing much to see here, because if you look into our breakdowns, this is our low and this is our high. So this high hasn't yet been taken out and this low hasn't yet been taken out. So this is our breakdown right here. So let me try to send this thing to my Discord channel. So yeah, if I drop down to a 4-hour time frame, because we're on a daily time frame, also here there's nothing much to see, because if I try to place my Fibonacci tool here, it means you're supposed to be selling, right? But you're already late at the same time. So in order for us to find positions, you gotta go even lower. So I'm thinking, let me see, 1 hour time frame. Also on the 1 hour time frame, there's nothing much to see. Looks like the market is buying, but if you look into this, we are having a supply zone here. Another reason why I said I'm gonna send this to my Discord channel, right? So this is a supply zone, but I'll try to refine it like as much as I can. Also, take into consideration that I don't trade supply and demand zone like that anymore. I use Fibonacci to get my entries, right? I use Fibonacci to get my entries. I'm currently in losses. I'll show you why I'm saying I'm currently in losses, because I placed my order about 2 hours ago, if not 3 hours ago. I'm running on like 100 USD loss. So yeah, let me just move this and go to a 15 minutes time frame. I'll show you before and after of this trade, actually uploaded on YouTube, right? So because we've been having like a series of low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, and price is actually playing around here. So we are having a break of structure, because I'm focusing on the current market structure. So price is playing around somewhere here. So this is a break of structure, and then we're having a demand zone, supply zone. Sorry, my bad. The reason why I'm saying this trade is still valid and I'm gonna send it to, I just send it to my Discord channel, is because of this. We're having a supply zone / order block, because this was the last candle to actually buy before like they had this sell strike here. So focusing on this lay that we are having right here, because this low was taken out because of this high. I'm gonna place my Fibonacci tool from this high to actually this low. So let me place it like this. And then if you notice somewhere around here, this is why I entered my trades. The reason why I'm saying, sorry, my bad, I was focusing on my phone. The reason I'm saying I entered here is because this is my 75% zone on my Fibonacci tool, and this is my stop loss, and this is where I'm placing my take profit, right? But lately, ever since like there's been war and stuff like that, some of these setups are not yet respected. So you might find out, okay, let's say go place like this, then this high becomes like liquidity, because already this high has been taken out and I entered somewhere around here. What if like this is like liquidity? Sorry, my bad, I'm not good at drawing using a free hand, What if like this high is liquidated and then we go down like this? But this is what I want to see, right? So what I'm saying is, I think where you get somewhere around here, or even somewhere around, okay, or even somewhere around here, or somewhere around here, we can actually take profit. But based on how I trade, this will be like 1-to-1, and I'm actually playing taking like 1-to-3. So I'm just gonna set it off and let it play out on its own, instead of like me trying to manipulate the trades and do plenty of things to this setup. And guys, if I do fail, the accounts that I have right now, I'll buy more accounts. But for now, let's just wait and see what's happening. Yeah, so I'll try to be more consistent from now on, consistent on the charts and consistent on when it comes to dropping content for you all. So yeah, let me see, what's in 5? No. So, okay, I'm placing my sell at this point and my stop loss here. So basically this is my second entry on gold, because we're at the supply zone, and then I place my stop loss at that low. So yeah, see you in the next part of this video. Okay guys, so this is the second part of the video, and I'm not actually planning to hold this trades for way too long, because if you look into this, like gold went straight for supply zone before started dropping. So I just closed like 200 USD, and on my other account I closed around 50. The one that I closed $50 is like the one that is like in so much drawdown. So I'm not actually planning to hold this, because I don't like how gold has been moving. It's been moving like so weird. There's no actually proper direction whereby if you look into this, like it started dropping, then it started consolidating a bit, then it started dropping again. So I hate to see that happen, because if I hold overnight, tomorrow I might wake up whereas like gold is above this high, and then it decides to actually buy. So I think I'm actually satisfied with the profits that I made today. And instead of like me closing this video with gold only, I think I'll continue doing it, and have like different parts. So I'll see you on the next video. Tomorrow is Thursday, and yeah, I'll see you later on in this video. So I'll do another part where I'll analyze another pair and then focus on getting more trades and more trades, so that I can recover from drawdown and actually pass this other account that I bought recently. Okay, cool. I'm back with another part. So guys, like I said yesterday, I'm just gonna extend this video so that it can be a bit longer, and let me do a trading series on this one. So a few days ago, I think it was on Monday, if not Tuesday. It was on Monday, if not Tuesday. So we have a group, me and my bros, right? So a friend of mine, actually, One Boy Drive, sent this setup to a group, right? It was a sale for GBPUSD on the 1 hour time frame. He's actually running profits right now. Like, he's been running profits for quite some time now, right? I'm actually late to enter on this one, so I can't enter because already I had like Euro GBP buys and those buys took me out. But I managed to, actually make a comeback with that gold trade that I closed yesterday, right? So yes, is it too late to enter? Yes, it's too late to enter from this zone. But is it too late to, take like, advantage of the markets whereby like it's still moving? No. So let me drop down to a 50 minutes time frame. I'm just gonna trade like GBPUSD during London session. Né? So London session is actually now at 10 a.m. in South African time, I think. Yeah. So we have a supply zone. What I would do is I would wait for this supply zone for this price to come to the supply zone, and actually take a 1 to I take a 1 to 10 R trade, right? So basically, if I risk like $70, I make like $700. Is it possible? Let's wait and see. But yeah, I won't really like supply in that way. But let me just say, so we're having a break of structure here. Break of structure, change of character, but whatever it is, but it's a break of structure at the same time. It's actually a change of character on the smaller time frame because the market was on the uptrend, and here we have a sweep of liquidity, right? So this is our sweep of liquidity. Sweep of liquidity. And let me just place my Fibonacci like this. If I place my Fibonacci like this is where I'm getting my entry from. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have two types of entries, right? I'm gonna have an entry on like the 75% zone. On this one, I'm gonna have it on that. There's this other account that I have, 10K challenge. I'm on phase one. I'm just gonna enter like 71%. I'm just gonna enter, risk 1% to make 3%, right? And then I'm gonna enter my funded account that is like in deep drawdown. I'm just gonna enter from this zone up until to that point. So let me just leave. I'm gonna leave an alert at this point so that I get notified when the market gets to that point. But eventually I'm just gonna enter from that zone and hold until it drops. Also, we are having another form of like entry here because I think this also counts as a supply zone, not an order block. If it was a gray candle, I was gonna say it's an order block, but this is an extreme supply zone. So I'm actually gonna enter from that point. Wait, let me delete this line because I don't know if I can remove it while there's still this alert at this point. So I'll update you on what has happened after, but for now let's just wait and see. And also price can also come to this point, meaning I can hold the GBPUSD from this point up until that point. So if I risk 75 USD, I'm risking 75 USD to make 1,264 USD. But let's not be greedy and actually hold to that low. So I'll be back with an update after. Okay guys, I'm back again, and GBPUSD respected our setup. So basically I was also hoping for a price to get to this point so that I can take full advantage of like that 1 to 10 RR, because I said I'm somewhere around 8.1% drawdown on my funded account because the market has been choppy lately, and I've been using like high risk taking losses here and there. But if you can see this like setup, price has been respecting our setup, right? So I was down by 3% actually because of your JP buys that I took the other day, and they took me out, and then I took sales on gold to help me recover. Right now I'm actually running on 270 USD, 270 USD, somewhere in there. And yeah, I'll touch the screen according to this video so that you can see. But if I do take profit, yeah, I'll be up by 2.5%. And yeah, I'll see you on another video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and actually tune in for more for more content that I'm about to do. Like I said, I'm back now.